therefore, the Parliament of Kenya cannot pretend to be an alpha or omega. We must open up those discussions to include everybody else who don't subscribe to either Azimio or Kenya Kwanza. Sinamna hiyo. La pili, the current economic situation that we are facing, which has resulted in the government for the first time in our history failing to pay its workers, is directly linked or related to that election of August last year and its outcome, which we have rejected. Because anywhere else in the world, when a regime comes into power, it must first inspire confidence. If it is a legitimate administration, it must be able to reassure the investors, the business, the market, without even saying or doing anything. What we have seen with the Kenya Kwanza regime is the exact opposite. It has scared away everybody else, the investors, the market, and we have got a lot of uncertainty, which can only be addressed by opening up the server. And on the matter of the server, Your Excellency Baba, we are aware that Venezuelans have been here for the past 3 or so weeks. They were sent to come and try to tamper with the server, so that eventually, if the pressure is too much on them, they can open it up, and then we find falsified records. Those Venezuelans, we have been on their track. We have been trailing them. They have been able to escape our dragnet. The last 2 weeks or so, they were staying in a hotel in Kileleshwa. When they realized we are on their tracks, they moved. They are on the run, but they are still in the country. We are also aware that they have had a meeting with a former CEO of IEBC. They have equally had a meeting with a former chairman of IEBC. So we want to caution them, wherever they are and their sponsors, that they are in our radar. And we cannot allow this country to move on unless and until we open up the server and get the true position. Wangapi makwaya na mimi? Finally, we want to agree with those who have spoken here before us that we can scale the stairs as we chew gum. We can negotiate in an extra parliamentary process as we continue with the people's actions out here. And we, members of the Azimio parliamentary group, are going to be in the forefront alongside fellow actors